This is the Chrysler Group manufacturing plant in Belvidere, Illinois, USA. In this plant, Jeep Compass, Jeep Patriot, and Dodge Caliber are manufactured. Metal sheet is pressed to form different parts of the body. For assembly, the doors are removed from the cars. The Jeep Company logo is attached on the front bonnet. Now the dashboard is installed in the car by a lifting crane. Next, the engines are transported by automatic guided vehicles for further construction. Then various parts are attached to the engine. Later on, the drivetrain assembly is attached to the car body. The front grille and bumper are now set in place. After that, the tires and hubcap are attached to the car. Now, seats are installed to give comfort to passengers. The glass are added to the door, which will protect from wind and noise. At the end, the doors are installed. In this plant, Dodge Caliber, Jeep Compass, and Jeep Patriot are made.